While the Paint application is still open from exercise 1A, do the following. Use the Start menu to locate the Notepad application. Open the application. Enter the text. Learning windows will be fun. Minimize the Paint application. Minimize the Notepad application. Restore the Paint application from the taskbar. Restore the Notepad application from the taskbar. Click the left mouse button on the title bar of the Notepad and the Paint application and drag the windows together so that two applications are placed side by side on the desktop. Move the mouse pointer to the top border of the Paint application until the up and down arrows appear. Hold the left mouse button down and gently guide the window border to the top of the desktop display until a ripple appears. The window will expand to fill the top, side, and bottom of the desktop. Do the same to the Notepad application. Then the two applications will be side to side. Click the left mouse button in the task tool in the taskbar and the application will be appear in the panoramic view. Close both applications and do not save the result.